Where I think I struggled with it was the monetization.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what else I could have done.
No worries.
I know there was a better way of doing it, so I wanted to ask you that, please, Matt.
You did really well, okay? But and you didn't do anything wrong. This deal is not in jeopardy in any way. But as we move closer to like black belt, your certified master sales consultant, your CMSC, which I will sign for you once you finish all this stuff, here's what you can, when they say, you know, hey, we don't have the big budget that we have, or when they say we're having difficulty with XYZ or ABC, what's going to make it easier for you to monetize is go, when you say you don't have the big budget, can you give me a specific example? Right? Well, in the past, it's called, let's say you did have, unlimited budget. What would be the outcome you'd be looking to provide? Well, we would like to do additional sales of this based on what they're going to see in the trailers. How do you measure success there? Right? And all you're doing is writing down with your sword and shield all of those key points. And then what that is going to do is give you even more ammunition when you write your power email. Right? And that's after this was an excellent meeting. Based on everything that I heard from you guys, you're a perfect candidate for our, I think it was 5D. Is it 4D? 5, what's the solution?
It's 3D.
For our 3D.
3D on every marketing touch point.
Perfect. For our 3D solution with the marketing touch point. How about we do this? Give me till this afternoon. Let me write up my understanding of your current situation, the capabilities you need, and then some next steps in helping you guys get those results that you were hoping to get without the spend that you had in the past. Fair enough? Right? And now you're able to, in that, based on everything you told me, your current situation is you want to get from X to X. That's where you can bring in those numbers. You told me you could, right, achieve the results that you've had in the past without having to go back to that budget, or worse, spend even more if ... And that now you're going to put all the outcome. You had a way to burn an impression. You had a way to be memorable. You had an easy way to track whatever it was in your results. That's how you get to monetization. Typically involves you having to say a number of different times, when you say blank, can you give me a specific example, right? And then if they go, well, I don't have the exact numbers. If you were to guess, what would it be? Right? If you were to guess, what would it be? It takes all the pressure off. Right? I think we could do an extra 10 million a month, right? If we had unlimited spend in marketing, we'd probably do it. Why 10 million? Well, because in the past we've done that, but our costs went up. This is where you can have a much more skillful conversation around monetization just by allowing them to talk more. What you don't want to do in monetization is go, we typically help companies achieve XYZ and ABC, and these are the results, and this is how much money they save, or this is how much time they save, or this is how much money they make, because they're not listening to any of that, because they know you say that to everybody you meet with, right? That's just straight out of a white paper. I want it to be their numbers. When they say something, it means everything. When you say something, it means just that, something. So get them to say their numbers. If they don't have numbers, ask them to guess. If they can't even guess, work through it with them. Let's break it down, right? And now here's a great way to get credibility in breaking it down, right? Is the raise your hand, and that sounds like this. Listen, we solve monster issues here. Based on our conversation so far, I feel like you're a good fit. But here's what I'd like to do. I want to go back to something that you were saying before in terms of your investment and what you're looking for. I'd like to kind of just go through some of those numbers, because we provide our clients with massive lift, huge jumps in terms of return on investment. And if it seems like, I'm putting a label on it, it feels like this is one of those cases. But if we could walk through the numbers, if for some reason I'm off here, I will be the first one to raise my hand and let you know. And then that way you're not moving forward with something that's not going to give you, a large enough return for the juice to be worth the squeeze. Fair enough? And now it's like I've taken all the pressure off by saying, if this is not a good fit, I will be the first one to raise my hand. right? That is the opposite of what every sales rep they meet with. Every sales rep they meet with, especially with a large logo, goes, great, thank you so much for the time. Let me walk you through our mission statement, our culture here at our organization, and then let me show you the logos we work with. We can help save you money, make you money, save you time, and you'll be better looking when you work with us, right? You're going to slow down and be like, hey, I want to make sure this is the right fit. I want to make sure we're able to. When you say you're looking for X, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, we want it to be more. How much more? I'm not sure exactly. If you were to guess, what would that be? It's amazing when you say that. They're like 15 million per quarter. Why 15 million per quarter? That's how I get my EBITDA bonus. Got a kid going into college, right? Now you're like writing all that down. So those are your steps to getting it additionally monetized.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.